Today we are talking about weather with Mario Ruiz here at the desk, and so we've got the official kickoff to summer tomorrow. We've got some severe storms in the Gulf that you got your eyes on. We're talking about maybe some rain chances here in North Texas.
Right, and you know, some of us already seeing the rain. It's going to be hard to come by because we're on the very, very tail end of this tropical system that we're watching in the Gulf. So I want to go ahead and get you over to radar so I can show you what areas are seeing the rain. And I am seeing a little bit of late rain making it into southern Kaufman County, Ellis County, but a lot of it staying to the southeast, and that's really what's going to be the trend. The rest of us will just see the cloud cover really most of the day. So look at how that rain progresses here between noon and 2. There's your timestamp. Between 2 and 4, that rain's going to try to make it into some of our, really the southern half of North Texas. But look at how this particular model has no rain coming into DFW. So we really do see the cloud cover. We might be running into a few areas of sprinkles, but other than that, we'll start to see that really drying out after about 10 tonight, and we may see an isolated shower or two tomorrow during the day just because we're dealing with so much moisture. As far as our high temperatures go, I mean, the cloud cover is really going to help keep us in the upper 80s for DFW. Some spots to our northwest will make it into the low 90s because of the lack of cloud cover. Areas to our south, mid 80s. Either way, very humid. It'll feel like the mid 90s when you factor in the humidity. Cedar Hill, 81 degrees, and you see that really dense cloud cover. That's just really showing you how tropical our air mass is. And we'll continue to see this really the remainder of the day. I do want to take you a bit more towards the south where they are seeing the heavy rain. So this is really rain that's coming in from Tropical Storm Alberto, and this has been going on all morning. That's why areas like Corpus Christi under flash flood warnings, and we'll continue to see those probably expand in coverage in the next few hours. So we'll be watching this closely. And again, Tropical Storm Alberto has officially taken shape as of the 10 a.m. update from the National Hurricane Center. Even though the track is actually headed due west. It's making its way towards Mexico's coastline, expected to make landfall tonight into tomorrow morning, just north of Tampico, Mexico. And this is still going to impact areas in South Texas in the form of heavy rainfall, storm surge, and high winds. So let's show you the rainfall first. This is around noon. You see all that rain getting pushed in to along the coast. Eventually Austin, San Antonio, seeing that rain here mid to late afternoon. We'll continue to see this pushing pretty much across the southern half of Texas into West Texas into the overnight hours even. But areas like Corpus right now really sitting under one of those intense rain bands. And right along that Texas coastline, tropical storm warnings in place. This is in place because of wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So we'll be watching not just that, but also the storm surge. Storm surge is water that gets pushed inland from the Gulf. So think about this water kind of rushing inland, 2 to 4 feet in areas like Galveston towards Brazosport, but south of that, Corpus to Brownsville, 1 to 3 feet will be possible. Now, as quickly as it comes up, it also comes back down. That's water that's getting pushed in, but also the water that you need to consider from, well, the rain. 4 to 7 inches in some spots close to Corpus, but up to 10 in some areas. Corpus right now, like I said, sitting under one of those rain bands, so it'll constantly keep raining here over the next several hours, and unfortunately that's why that big flood concern is there. Our 14-day forecast showing us just with about 20% coverage of rain today. I mean, we really don't see too much of it, and after today we dry out. We're talking highs in the mid 90s for Friday, upper 90s as we head into Saturday and Sunday, the first full week of summer. We get very close to the triple digits. I'm not putting 100 degrees on the 14-day just yet, Mark, but on average, we see our first 100-degree day, July 1st.
Kick that can down the road as far as we can, Marielle. Thanks for that. No,